Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Oukitel C33. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. Now click install. And now you can click open. Now click not now. Here you can sign in to quickly switch between devices. You can click not now. And here you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And that's it, your Firefox browser is now set up. If you like this video, please remember to leave like and subscribe.